Hi, I hope you're doing well. Today I am doing assembly video for Skil miter saw and what is included in box. I ordered saw online and it delivered to home. This box include multiple things. The first thing is miter lock knob, which is really look like heavy and good quality. Second thing is work clamp, so it will help to hold wood. Then we have a manual, carrying handle, which come with two screws. Sliding fans help to secure the workpiece when making cuts. And dust collector. You can use a vacuum instead of dust collector. It's entirely your choice. Saw is covered in the plastic bag, which is really good. Now take out the saw from the box. I did the fast forward to save some time. First of all, I will install the carry handle. Take the carry handle out of the bag. Put carry handle on the main saw handle and align it with the two mounting holes. After that, put the both screw in and do the hand tight. It also has an Allen key, which I will show you in a minute. It is at the back of the saw. I put both of the screw. Now I'll show you where the Allen key is. Allen key is located at the rear. Take out the key and tighten the screw. One end of this key has an Allen key and the other end is more like a Phillips screwdriver. If you have your own Allen key, I will recommend you to use that one because otherwise you will be keep playing with the machine and it will take some time. You can see how long it is taking. It's better I use my own Allen key and tighten it up. Finally, handle is nice and secure. Now I am installing dust collector. It has a clip. When you apply force with fingers, clip will open. Put clip on a right portion and release finger pressure. You can see it is secured now. If you want to use the vacuum instead of the dust collector, it is entirely your choice. Next thing I will install is miter lock knob. Take the knob and push it in the hole. It will go in the front and tighten it up to the right side. Do not do the over tight. Now I am going to install sliding fence and a work clamp. Before that, push miter detent release pin and move saw. You really don't need to do this step, but it will make life easier for the first time user. Installation of a sliding fence is simple. Loose sliding fence lock knob and then slide it in. And after that, tighten the lock knob to secure it. Installation of a work clamp. Take off the clamp from the bag and we'll put it back of the sliding fence. It has a special group for material thickness. I will not go in the details, but you can see more detail in the manual how to adjust its thickness. This is the back side of the sliding fence. You can see additional hole on the left side with the knob. It is located on both sides. Loose back knob, insert clamp and then secure it. It should not take that much longer. I did not unscrew it properly. After I unscrewed it, it went easily in the hole. Remove the cable tie. Saw is securely locked. There is a pin located right side of the collector. You need to pull the pin to the right. And if you want to lock it again, push the pin in to the left. If you need additional light you have in this saw, just turn button and light will come on. You can turn it off with the same button. I'm turning on the machine. Be ready for the thrill. If you like the video, do not forget to give the thumbs up and subscribe my channel. Goodbye.